Aston Martin Valhalla, the future of British hypercars. Experience the power, precision, and elegance of the Aston Martin Valhalla, where innovation meets performance. This channel brings you everything from exclusive looks, sound tests, performance breakdowns, and cinematic drives of Aston Martin's hybrid hypercar masterpiece. Join the ride into the future of speed and luxury. Aston Martin Valhalla 2025 full review and sound test. Aston Martin Valhalla vs Ferrari SF90 hybrid hypercar showdown. Inside the Aston Martin Valhalla, interior, design, and tech. Aston Martin Valhalla top speed test, brutal acceleration. Aston Martin Valhalla engine sound, pure hybrid fury. Aston Martin Valhalla first look, ultimate supercar reveal. Aston Martin Valhalla launch control test, insane power. Aston Martin Valhalla road test, real driving experience. Aston Martin Valhalla vs McLaren Artura, battle of the hybrids. Aston Martin Valhalla review, the future of supercars. Hashtag Aston Martin Valhalla, hashtag Aston Martin, hashtag Valhalla, hashtag supercar, hashtag hypercar, hashtag BritishEngineering, hashtag LuxuryCar, hashtag HybridSupercar, hashtag car review, hashtag ExoticCars, hashtag Aston Martin Power, hashtag CarLovers, hashtag FutureCars, hashtag AutomotiveArt, hash Valhalla 2025. Aston Martin Valhalla, Aston Martin, Valhalla, Aston Martin Hybrid, Valhalla Hypercar, British Supercar, Aston Martin Review, Aston Martin Sound, Hybrid Supercar, Aston Martin Speed Test, Aston Martin Design, Exotic Car Video, Valhalla Acceleration, Valhalla vs SF90, Valhalla Performance, Luxury Sports Car, Aston Martin Engine, Supercar Showdown, Aston Martin Future, Valhalla Reveal. Aston Martin Valhalla 2025, Aston Martin Valhalla Review, Aston Martin Valhalla Sound, Aston Martin Valhalla Specs, Aston Martin Valhalla Interior, Aston Martin Valhalla Top Speed, Aston Martin Valhalla Acceleration, Aston Martin Valhalla vs Ferrari SF90, Aston Martin Valhalla vs McLaren Artura, Aston Martin Valhalla Launch, Aston Martin Valhalla Hybrid, Aston Martin Valhalla Design, Aston Martin Valhalla Performance, Aston Martin Valhalla Car, Aston Martin Valhalla Exhaust, Aston Martin Valhalla Details, Aston Martin Valhalla 0 to 60, Aston Martin Valhalla 2025 Review, Aston Martin Valhalla Engine, Aston Martin Valhalla Price.